Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for our future, climate change. It's a term we hear a lot, but what exactly is it? What causes it? And most importantly, what can we do about it? I'm here to break it down in a way that's easy to understand for people of all ages. So, let's get started. First things first, what is climate change? In simple terms, climate change refers to long-term changes in the Earth's climate, especially temperature and weather patterns. While the climate has always changed over time due to natural causes, the term climate change today usually refers to the recent, rapid changes largely driven by human activities. So, what are these human activities causing climate change? The biggest culprit is the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. When we burn these fuels for energy, whether it's to power our cars, heat our homes, or generate electricity, we release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, creating a greenhouse effect that warms the planet. Another major cause is deforestation. Trees absorb CO2 from the air, so when we cut them down for agriculture, urban development, or logging, we lose a vital tool for removing CO2. Additionally, the carbon stored in trees is released back into the atmosphere when they are burned or decay. Agriculture also plays a role, especially through the production of methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Livestock like cows produce methane during digestion, and rice paddies and landfills also release significant amounts of this gas. Now, let's talk about the effects of climate change. You might have noticed that weather patterns are becoming more extreme. We're seeing more frequent and severe heat waves, storms, floods, and droughts. This isn't just a coincidence, it's a direct result of the Earth's warming climate. These extreme weather events can have devastating impacts on communities, ecosystems, and economies. Rising temperatures also lead to melting ice caps and glacier, which in turn causes sea levels to rise. This threatens coastal cities and small island nations with flooding and erosion. Additionally, the warming oceans are harming marine life, leading to coral bleaching and disrupting entire ecosystems. Climate change also affects agriculture. Changing weather patterns can make it harder to grow crops, leading to food shortages and higher prices. This impacts everyone, but especially those in vulnerable regions who rely heavily on agriculture for their livelihoods. So, what can we do about it? The good news is that there are many solutions, and everyone can play a part. Here are some key actions we can take. 1. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This means shifting away from fossil fuels and embracing renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower. It also means improving energy efficiency in our homes, cars, and industries to use less energy overall. 2. Protect and restore forests. Forests are our natural carbon sinks. By preventing deforestation and supporting reforestation efforts, we can help absorb more CO2 from the atmosphere. 3. Adopt sustainable agricultural practices. This includes techniques like crop rotation, conservation tillage, and managed grazing. These practices can reduce methane emissions and improve soil health, making agriculture more resilient to climate change. 4. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Cutting down on waste and recycling materials helps reduce the energy required to produce new products and decreases landfill methane emissions. 5. Support climate-friendly policies. Governments and businesses play a huge role in addressing climate change. By supporting policies and initiatives that promote clean energy, conservation, and climate resilience, we can drive large-scale change. 6. Educate and advocate. Raising awareness about climate change and advocating for action in our communities can create a ripple effect. The more people understand and care about this issue, the more momentum we build for meaningful change. Remember, no action is too small. Whether it's biking instead of driving, planting a tree, or simply spreading the word, every effort counts. Climate change is a big challenge, but together, we can make a difference. Thank you for joining me on this journey to understand climate change and what we can do about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, stay informed and stay active.